guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been quite a long time, but what happened to me was all my videos decided to delete because my hard drive crashed, and so all the videos I was going to upload deleted. But no worries, I'm back and I'm better, and I've got so much more new content for you guys, so stay tuned. So this Polygel video was actually meant to be up for Halloween, but I actually did this on Halloween and didn't get around to the voiceover because I don't know if it's just me, but when I do voiceovers I hate the sound of my voice and I do them like 10 times before it's perfect. Anyways, right now I'm just prepping my nails, pushing the cuticle back, and I'm going to use this pH bonder from Prey. So I'm not going to be using tips, I'm actually going to be using full cover, but these I'm going to put halfway down my nails, and this is because I just wanted to experiment. Because I didn't want to go through the long process of the dip powder and I don't know how to use it, I'm actually going to be mixing it with Polygel, and this dip powder is from Bornpretty. This is the translucent one, I think is Starlight. And this one is the 3-in-1 Thermal Spring Twilight, and this color I'm going to be using for my nails, which changes color. I think it is Thermal. By the way guys, the links are all going to be down below, and you can use my discount code Chelsea10 for money off the entire website. And the polygel that I'm using is my favourite clear polygel, and this is also from Bornpretty. Now I'm just going to add the dip powder onto the polygel, and I'm going to be using an old polygel spatula to mix that in. And it turned out to be a really nice purple color, but on camera it looks quite blue. I don't know why. So now I'm going to be gluing the nails. I'm going to be putting the nails halfway down my nail because this is full cover. And guys, I made a promise to my sister not to cut my nails, so for this nail tutorial I'm just going to be buffing off like those little bud things at the top of the nail. Guys, ignore how dusty my Prey primer is. It's the only one I have right now, but it's the best one. So I'm just going to be applying that to all my nails, and then I'm going to be taking base coat and I'm going to apply a thin layer to all of the nails. Now I'm going to be curing that for a few seconds, and now for the fun part, I'm going to be applying this to my nails. So the mixture of the polygel was quite soft, as you can see, and it was easy to like blend it around. And guys, I know this brush is really bad, but I need to order new brushes. If you guys know where I can get really good polygel brushes, leave a link down below. And as I started to cure it, I realized that the color is changing, and I think when the color is hot or warm it goes really like light purple, but when it's cold it goes like really dark blue. But then when I'm in like a neutral like home temperature, it's just ombre. And now that's done, I'm gonna be buffing the nails. And guys, I've started to do my nails at the same time because usually I'll do one hand and go to the next, but that is really annoying because it would be like 2 o'clock and I've only done one hand, and then I look at the other hand and it's just like, ugh, I can't be bothered. Now that my nails are all shaped, I'm going to be washing my hands to remove the dust. And now I'm going to be choosing a sticker to put on my nails. I was going to do a colourful sticker, but I thought that this would just throw off the whole like theme of my nails. So I just stuck to black, and I'm going to use the skulls because those ones were the only ones that looked appealing, because I hate spiders, and in the night when I just randomly look at my nails I don't want to see spiders. It's gonna actually make me paranoid, but yeah. And before I apply the stickers onto my nails, I'm going to be applying top coat to the areas I'm going to put the stickers, and then I'm going to cure it on. Oh yeah, and I also added like this little flower just to, you know, just add a little bit of touch. And just to finish it off, I am going to be adding diamonds because I feel like something just didn't look right. But the diamonds honestly topped it off. Like, I don't know what I'll do without these diamonds. Also guys, I'm going to start doing more like fun polygel videos with different type of designs. Just let me know down in the comments what design you'd like to see next, because I'm going to start experimenting with longer and shorter nails using different colours, because I feel like my nail videos have been boring. Sorry about that. Now that the design is cured on both hands, I am going to be putting top coat on the rest of my nails. So I changed the top coat to use the Après top coat because I feel like the Après top coat is one of the best top coats I have ever used, and all of my other top coats are nearly finished, but I prefer this one anyways. And I'm going to be putting 2 coats of top coat onto my nails. And guys, look at this color that it turns when I cure it. It's such a lovely color. And now that is done. Oh my gosh guys, I am in love. Thank you so much for watching, but stay for the next minute so that you guys can watch the water test. It's gonna change color. Oh my gosh guys, look at the color change. It's gonna go to a really dark purplish blue. But now I can say thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and comment down what video you'd like to see next.